Let's make Spanish bread. 1 cup ng milk. 1/4 cup ng sugar. 1 egg. Isang sachet ng yeast, guys. Take Facebook.
Push it on there. We'll try.
I really need to push it all.
I mean, it's not very hard.
Okay. Nagawa tayo guys ng filling ng ating Spanish bread. 1 cup ng all-purpose. 1 cup lang ng brown sugar. Then, yung butter or yung margarine. Pwede rin. Finished product, guys, ng ating filling. Ito na mabuti. Ayan. Diba? O, ito. Ito mas maganda. Ready na yung bread natin, guys. Ay, wow, perfect. Sana all.